Guess you wonder where I've been.
In today's video, I want to show you guys my latest pack on the website, kingtutspro.com. Link is going to be in the description if you guys want to check out the pack for yourself. If I go ahead and push play, these are all the effects that I kind of composited together in Final Cut Pro. It works for Final Cut Pro 10. It works for Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Sony Vegas, After Effects. Alright guys, so if you head on over to kingtutspro.com, this is where you guys can go ahead and purchase the pack, and there's 20 4K music video overlays. So if I kind of cycle through these, you're going to see that there's some with dust, scratches, kind of like this old film overlay. And a lot of you guys wanted me to make more of these, so I definitely decided to do that. Okay, so when you go to Sellfy and you purchase the pack, it's going to send you an email. If you don't get the email, just email me, and then I will kind of resend the email. Sometimes Sellfy has glitches. But anyways, you download the link that they send you, which should be a file or something like that, and then you're going to unzip the file, and then you're going to have this folder, and then within that folder you're going to have 20 different 4K MOV files. So some of these are in green screen and some of them are black, and I'll show you guys how to use those. It's very, very simple. I'm going to jump into Final Cut Pro, and I have these already imported, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm going to just delete this. Here are all the clips that I use, by the way, if you guys want to reference any of the music videos. I'm going to go over to File at the top, Import Media. Sorry if the screen is cut off. And I'm going to select the folder with the pack folder here. And you're going to have all of the video clips. There's 20 of them. We can kind of cycle through these here. The snow one. This one's really cool. But what you want to do is select all of them. Hold Shift. Click the top one and then select the bottom one. And then click Import All. And this will import all of the clips into Final Cut Pro. As you can see, I've already done that before. So we have the Trippy Red Ain't Safe music video. I don't know why that was a big tongue twister for me, but that's like the fourth take. The way that this clip works is you just drag it above a clip here, and then you're gonna go over to the inspector tab. You're gonna change the blend mode from normal to linear dodge, or you can do screen. There's a before and after. Here's another one. So before and after. I'm going to show you how to use one of the green screen ones really quickly. So I'm going to go with the camera one here. So I'm going to drag this above the timeline, and then I'm going to go over to the effects. I'm going to go to Keyer under King, and then add the Keyer effect onto that video clip, and then you're done. So that's all you got to do. So now you can just kind of trim the end if you don't need it. Just push play. And then you're going to see it's animating just like that. Super cool. So I'm going to show you one of these other ones, like the flame one. So this one has a black background. So for that one, you just change the blend mode from normal to screen. If I go back and push play, it'll look something like this. If you want it to be a little bit more dramatic, just go to linear dodge, or you can just add a keyer, and then that will just remove the black. I think that might be the easiest, to be honest. And then this one here is my favorite, the film grain textures. So if I just drag this one like over here, it's gonna look like that. Just change this one to multiply because it's gray. So it'll look really good on pretty much any video. So dark or light doesn't really matter. But I think on darker clips, it looks really, really interesting and more realistic, as you can see. So link is gonna be in the description. I'll catch you on my next video.